In this video, I am going to show you how to add categories in WordPress menu. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our WordPress website and today we are going to create categories and add them to this main menu. So go back to WordPress website dashboard and then from the left menu just click on posts and then click on categories. Now on the right side you will see the categories that you have already created. Now to create a new category on your WordPress website, at first we are going to give the name of our category. After that you can add your own custom slug here, and if this is your main category then you can select none from here. But if you want to make this category as a subcategory of any other category, then click on this drop down and select any other category. But I want to make this category as the main category, so I am going to select none from here. And then you can also add the description for your category, and after that just click on add new category. And as you can see that our category is now added. Now to add our category to the WordPress menu, from the left menu just click on appearance and then click on menus. Now from the left side we are going to select categories, and after that we are going to click on view all. Now to add the category to our menu, just select the category and after that just click on add to menu. And as you can see that our categories are now added to the menu, and now we are going to click on save menu. And now if I visit my website and refresh it, and here you can see that our categories are now added to the menu. So this is how you can add categories to WordPress menu. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.